Hi everyone, it's Joy from Artful Homemaking, and today I have a fun little Christmas craft to share with you. It's these rustic wood slice Christmas ornaments. They're made with a wood burning tool, and we're actually going to use the wood burning tool to make a little design on this. And I chose snowflakes because they're really simple, and the wood burning tool can be a little bit of a challenge to use to get an accurate design if you do anything very detailed, unless you're more experienced than I am. So I picked snowflakes, and on this one I've done both sides of it because I was really practicing my skills with this one. So I've got both sides, and then I have another one here that I did, and I also did both sides of this one because I was just trying to get a feel for how the wood burning tool works. I've used it before. It's actually my son's wood burning kit that I'm using, and I'll put a link to where you can find one of those in the description box below. But they're really fun and useful tools to have around, especially if you like kind of a rustic look. So that's kind of what I was going with these Christmas ornaments, was kind of just a simple and rustic Christmas ornament look. So all you're going to need to make these rustic wood slice ornaments are some of these wood slices. Now you can go and get a branch and saw it yourself and make little wood slices. I've seen people do that, and it looks really cute, and it's kind of neat that you made them yourself. But I just have a box here that I ordered off of Amazon, and I'll put a link to where I found these. And they came with, the box included 15 wood slices, and it also included this little bundle of jute twine. So it's really useful because you get the wood slices and you get the twine. And then I'm using a pencil to draw my design on before I get started. To me, that just makes it a little simpler, and so I'm just drawing it on very lightly. So you may need a pencil, and I've got a pair of scissors to cut the twine to put the little hangers on, and then of course the wood burning tool. I will show you how to make these. It's actually really simple, and they're really fun. So first you're just going to choose one of the wood slices from your box or from one that you've cut, and then you're going to take a pencil and draw out your design. And like I said, I'm just going to stick with something simple like a snowflake, and it might be easier if you have a ruler. I have not been using a ruler. I've just been drawing it freehand, and that means mine are not perfect, but that's okay. So I'm just drawing a simple snowflake design. Then you're going to take your wood burning tool, and you're just going to press it into the wood, and it does want to slide around, and I'm holding it up, but I think I'll put it down. And watch your fingers because this is very hot. Right here at the top, just by pressing in, and I'm just using this is the main tip. This is just the basic tip. It comes with other tips, the kit that we have, and I don't really like to switch out the tips because it's going to be hot and then you have to wait for it to cool down, and I just kind of like to get it done. So but you can use different tips. This is just the main one, and I find that it's easiest to use. So now I have a little, kind of a little snowflake design there, and I think I'm going to add, for this one, I think I'm going to add some extra little branch things coming off of here. So I'm just going to cut a little length of this jute twine, And then that's what's really nice about this kit is it comes with the twine. I'm just gonna thread it through there. And then I'm just going to wrap both pieces around my finger and put them through the hole. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these rustic wood slice Christmas ornaments, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. They're really easy to make, and it's such a fun handmade Christmas ornament idea. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and join us as we create a simple, natural handmade home.